To make the form dynamic, use form logic. This feature works only with the dynamic form elements. You can read more about it on the documentation page by following the link under the video. The common process includes 3 types of absence at once. You need to create a when-then rule to automatically show or hide fields for certain users. In our case, the first rule is, when choose your department is product dep, then show the following field. So when the user will choose a product department in the drop-down menu, the form automatically shows a drop-down to choose the kind of product dep. We can also configure the start of the new step, depending on the user's chosen option. Select Start a conditional step in the Then field. Now, when choosing a different type of absence, various steps will start, and tasks will be created for employees who should approve the request. Now that it is set, let's continue. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team or book a call with our product manager to figure out how to use BPM in your case.